everyone, welcome to our channel Knowledge of Friends. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. आज हम लोग साइंस की क्लास करने वाले हैं जो कि फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री एंड बायो पीसीबी को इंक्लूड करेंगे, जिसमें मैंने आपको क्वेश्चंस करवाए थे जो कि मैंने आप लोग लास्ट क्लास में भी कराए थे। क्लास 1 जो कि आपके एमसीक्यूज के फॉर्म में था। आज आपका जो क्लास है वो क्लास नंबर 2 है। ऑलरेडी अगर हम क्लास 1 की ही बात करते हैं तो हमने ऑलरेडी 36 क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू साइंस दैट इज़ फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री एंड बायो हम ऑलरेडी इंक्लूड कर चुके हैं। अगर आप हमारे चैनल फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे हो या अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, इट्स अ ह्यूज रिक्वेस्ट कि आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो सो दैट हम जो भी वीडियोस डालें वो आपके पास सबसे पहले पहुंचे। एंड सेकेंडली, अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ हमारे वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करो सो दैट ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग के पास वीडियो पहुँचे और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग इसका यूटिलाइजेशन भी कर सके। Now talking about the today's session, the first question for the session is 37th question for this, and the question is 37th question is uranium 235 has number of protons and neutron is। तो बेसिकली अगर हम यूरेनियम 235 की बात करते हैं तो यूरेनियम 235 जो है उसके अंदर नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स और नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स जो होते हैं वो कितने होते हैं ये आपको बताना है। तो यूरेनियम क्योंकि 235 है इसलिए नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन भी 235 होते हैं और न्यूट्रॉन्स भी 235 ही होते हैं। If someone asks you uranium 235 has number of protons and numbers of neutrons, and then you have to write it down 235 here. Now moving on with the next question that we have here, or that is your question number 38. The question is the velocity of light in air is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second। तो velocity of light जो कि आपकी हवा में होती है, एयर में होती है, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and velocity in gas have refractive index। तो गैस में जो आपका refractive index होता है वो कितना होता है, and the answer will be 1.5 here. Okay, so now moving on with the next question that we have here is related to the question number 39 here। तो आपको इसका velocity of light ये होता है velocity of glass having refractive index of 1.5। now 39th question, who coined the term global warming। global warming आपका किसने टर्म बताया था? तो global warming टर्म जो है वो वॉलेस स्मिथ ब्राइकर ने बताया था। तो ग्लोबल वार्मिंग जो वर्ल्ड है टर्म है वो आपको किसने बताया था? वॉलेस स्मिथ ब्राइकर। दिस इज द टर्म हैज बीन इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय वॉलेस स्मिथ ब्राइकर, दैट द टर्म इज ग्लोबल वार्मिंग हियर। Now talking about the next question that we have, your question number 48, and the question we have is water, light, temperature, soil, humidity are। तो water मतलब पानी, light टेम्परेचर तापमान, सॉइल, ह्यूमिडिटी, ये पांचों चीज़ आपकी क्या कहलाती हैं? ये पांचों चीज़ आपकी एबायोटिक कंपोनेंट्स कहलाती हैं। Talking about the next one, that is your 41th question, biotic components are divided in। तो biotic components कितने parts में divided है? तो biotic components जो है वो आपके 3 parts में divided है, and 3 parts कौन कौन से हैं? पहला आपका producer है, सेकेंड आपका कंज्यूमर है और थर्ड आपका डिकम्पोजर्स है। तो प्रोड्यूसर्स, consumers and decomposers, as I can say that biotic components are divided into 3 parts: producers, consumers and decomposers। Now talking about the next question that we have, your question number 42 with father of biodiversity। biodiversity के father कौन है? पिता biodiversity के कौन है? The answer is Edward O. Wilson। Edward O. Wilson is the father of biodiversity। Now talking about the next question, that is your question number 43rd is how many components of ecosystems are। तो बेसिकली कितने components हैं ecosystem में? तो अगर हम components of ecosystem की बात करते हैं तो 2 components हैं ecosystem के। पहला कंपोनेंट है बायोटिक कंपोनेंट एंड द सेकेंड वन इज एबायोटिक कंपोनेंट। तो 2 कंपोनेंट है इकोसिस्टम के, फर्स्ट वन इज बायोटिक कंपोनेंट एंड द सेकेंड वन इज एबायोटिक कंपोनेंट। Now talking about the next one that we have here is the 49th question, who coined the term ecosystem। किसने ecosystem term को बताया था? and the answer is Tansley। Tansley ने ecosystem term के बारे में बताया था। Now moving on with the next question, that is your question number 45th, study of environment। study of environment, environment की जो पढ़ाई की जाती है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? and the study of environment is known as ecology। ecology जो है उसे हम study of environment कहते हैं। Now moving on with the next question that we have your 46th question। Now the next question is your 46th question. What is rodenticides? What is rodenticide? ये आपको आंसर बताना है. You can comment on the comment section. What is rodenticide? Next question is your 47th question. What is the rank of India in Environment Performance Index 2018? 2018 के performance index पे इंडिया की कौन सी रैंक है? दैट इज़ 177. तो अगर आप रैंक पूछते हो इंडिया के Environment Performance Index of 2018, that is 177th. Now the question is 48th question. If a V upon I is the constant, it is called. तो अगर V upon I की हम बात करते हैं तो वो आपका क्या कहलाता है? That is called as resistance. Resistance कैसे कहलाता है? V equals to IR. आपने फिजिक्स में फॉर्मूला पढ़ा है. V equals to IR है तो V upon IR. V है, ये I नीचे चला जाएगा डिनोमिनेटर में, equals to R. तो V I upon I equals to R. That is resistance. Now the next question is your question number 49. Who coined the word ecology? Ecology जो कि स्टडी है environment की, environment की स्टडी किसने बताया था? That is Ernst Haeckel. Ernst Haeckel जो है इन्होंने ecology को बताया था कि that he had coined the word ecology, which is the study of environment. Next one, we have your 50th word, and the word question is which is a regenerated fiber? कौन सा regenerated fiber होता है? And the fiber that is regenerated, and that is rayon here. Next one is your 51th question, that which is the radioactive element? कौन सा radioactive element है? The element that is radioactive, that is polonium. The 52th question here we have is positive ions are formed from neutral atom by loss of. positive ions जो हम formed करते हैं वो आपका neutral atoms से क्या होता है? loss किस चीज़ का होता है? that is of loss of electron. Positive ions are formed from neutral atoms by the loss of electron that they are forming. Now the next question that we have, your question number 53rd is the charge on positron is equals to the charge of. तो charge of positron जो होता है वो किसके इक्वल होता है? कौन से चार्ज के इक्वल होता है? The charge of positron is equals to the charge of proton here. The next question we have here, question number 54th, and the question is natural radioactivity was discovered by. तो natural radioactivity किसने discovered की थी? तो natural radioactivity जो है वो becquerel ने discover की थी. तो natural radioactivity की अगर हम बात करेंगे तो natural radioactivity जो है वो becquerel ने discover की थी. Now moving on with the next question, that we have your question number 54th. Where is the 55th question? The question is species containing same number of electron are called. ऐसी species जो same number of electron contain करते हैं, same number of electron conclude करते हैं, that are known as isoelectronic. The species that are containing the same number of electron that are called isoelectronic. Now moving on with the next question, that is the question number 56. A device used for the measurement of radioactivity is. तो कौन सी ऐसी डिवाइस है जो कि आपका मेजरमेंट करती है रेडियो एक्टिविटी का? तो दैट डिवाइस नेम इज GM काउंटर. Next one we have your 57th question. The term antibiotic was coined by. Antibiotic term किसने coin किया था, किसने बताया था? And the name of that person is Salman Waxman. Salman Waxman has coined the term antibiotic here. Now the next question, that is the question number 58 here. Species containing same number of electrons are called. Species जो number आपके contain same number of electrons को count करते हैं, that are known as isoelectronic. That species that containing the same number of electrons, that are called isoelectronic species. Now moving on with the next question, that is the question number 59. If the velocity of a particle is reduced at 1/3 of its initial value, then the kinetic energy of the particle will be. अगर velocity जो है वो आपकी particle की initial value से 1/3 हो गई है तो आपका kinetic energy particle का क्या होगा? And then the particle energy is of 1/9 times. Now next one, the 60th question we have here. How many neutrons are emitted in a spit of a 235 UG? to that U92, that is your how many neutrons are emitted in the split of 235 U92, and that is a 3 here. Now the next question, that is question number 61 here, is to see the rear view in motor vehicle. तो जब आप motor vehicle में rear view देखते हो तो उसमें कौन सा mirror लगा होता है, and the mirror is convex mirror is used to see the rear view in the motor vehicle. Now the next question, that is your question number 62. The value of gravitational acceleration, value of gravitational acceleration जो होता है that totally depends on the latitude of the earth. So the value of gravitational accelerations depend on the latitude of the earth here. Now moving on with the next question, that we have your question number 63. The question is 63 is, when a ray of light from the rarer to denser medium, then अगर ray of light जो आपका है वो rarer से denser medium में जा रही है, that it become slightly depends upon the normal here. Now the next one is your 64th question here, that is what is the reason of echo being heard. तो कौन सा ऐसा reason होता है जो echo सुनाई देता है, that is of reflections of sound wave, reflection of sound wave की वजह से echo सुनाई देता है. Next one is your 65th question, that is ELISA is used to detect virus where the key reagent is. ELISA जो है वो आपका डिटेक्ट वायरस को डिटेक्ट करने के लिए यूज होता है जो आपका की रिएजेंट में, एंड दैट इज अल्कलाइन फॉस्फेट. अल्कलाइन फॉस्फेट में आपका एलिसा होता है, दैट इज यूज टू डिटेक्ट वेयर द की रिएजेंट इज. Next one is your 66th question, that is which can be used to confirm whether drinking water contains a gamma emitting isotope or not. So basically which can be used to confirm that whether a drinking water contain a gamma emitting isotope or not, and that is scintillations counter, that is used to confirm that whether the drinking water contain a gamma emitting isotope or not. Now moving on with the next question, that is your question number 67th here. When water freezes its density, जब आपका पानी जमता है, बर्फ बनता है, तो वो water की density जो होती है वो decrease होती है, कम होती है. So when water freezes its density decreases. Now the next question, that is your question number 68 here. Coconut milk factor is, तो coconut milk जो है वो किसका factor है, that is cytokinin. Cytokinin, that coconut milk factor is cytokinin. Now moving on with the next question, that is the question number 69 here. The freezing point of water at 760 mm pressure is, तो freezing point of water आपका जब 760 mm प्रेशर है तो कितना होता है, दैट इज़ अगर हम केल्विन में बात करते हैं तो 273 केल्विन, अगर डिग्री सेल्सियस में बात करते हैं तो दैट इज़ 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस, और अगर हम फ़ारेनहाइट में बात करते हैं तो दैट इज़ 32 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट. So that is 273 Kelvin or 0 degree Celsius and 32 Fahrenheit. These were the freezing points of water at 760 mm pressure. Now first of all I had introduced the first class of the science where we had discussed about the MCQ. This is the second class and we till where we had 69 question done in this class. And अगर आप हमारे channel first time देख रहे हो, please like, share and subscribe to our channel so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. Now talking about related to the playlist, you can go through with the playlist and you can enjoy the videos that you want with respect to particular subject. Thank you, hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give your suggestion on the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe our channel so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video. Thank you.